What's up, cool kids? I'm iBair, and welcome to another Throwback Thursday where we go on an adventure all around South Africa. And this week we're going to the 7th of August where we had our CreateZA live streamed creator event where we had TikTokers, we had Instagrammers, we had YouTubers, all bunch of creators coming together learning about how to be better at what they do, which is what CreateZA is all about. But I have to be honest with you guys, I was a little bit nervous at this event. Play the nervous music.
10 minutes to broadcast, everyone. 10 minutes to broadcast. 5 minutes.
But let's just talk about our presenters real quick. We've got myself, I'll be talking about finding your niche, knowing your why. We've got Tenn talking about production from beforehand to post-production. We've got Caleb talking about SEO, search engine optimization. So there's a whole package for you, so much to get out of today's event.
Now we're going to the starting video. Now we're starting video to the next video. 2 minutes to last streaming.
When are you? You better be live streaming, okay? It's about to be
5, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Thank you. I don't know who introduced me. I'm more than an average YouTuber, so the production is the whole process of making something, and this is also a 3-axis camera. Would you believe? Move with your hips. Look how much sturdier that is.
1, 2, 3. Create! Every single one of you who came through today.
You need to tell search engines what to search.
So that they can click on the ad, they can watch more content, they can be on that type of program.
That's YouTube, that's Google, that's big, it's Yahoo.
I just want to enjoy the moment of my first ever paycheck from the campaign.
There's always going to be somebody who has something to say about what you do.
So I don't focus on like the quality of your content, so